Is this the dress that you're using for the video?
Yeah, actually, I'll change into this when you guys are ready.
Okay.
So let me know when.
I know this was supposed to be a daytime shoot, but
Yeah.
it's late right now. And it's actually good because you can see all these boxes here. I'm supposed to be testing them out. And I think this is going to be like a really cool opportunity to use, especially I'll go through the boxes and then we'll see like what's inside.
Okay, perfect.
So black against this color. Guys, don't mind the mess. I was in the middle of just packing everything and then the shoot was impromptu, but we're trying to see if we can make sense out of it. So what she's doing is she's basically recording an introductory video to introduce her brand. I haven't done the BTS yet, but I have a BTS of a shoot that we did for like to launch her brand basically. So stay tuned for that. And so when she said she wanted to do that video, obviously we wanted to do it here. And I also just received these from Aputure and Amaran. So this is the 600. I've not really gone through everything. This is a Fresnel. This is a Bowen's adapter with barn doors. There's also an Amaran 300C. We have a Spotlight SE, and then we have a Spotlight mount over here. We have some strip boxes. We have a 90 centimeter softbox. We also have a 150 and a 120, which I'm so excited about. And I think this is actually going to help us put this whole thing together. I know that
excited for it.
It was supposed to be a daytime shoot. So what I'm thinking actually is, because I've never had a light that is this powerful. So I'm thinking I can put this outside and shine a light through for it to look like it's daytime. And then we'll just augment that and shape it, inside here for it to look nice. Camera is going to basically live on sticks throughout the entire video. We have a prompter on there because, it's late. We wanted to just be, quick about the whole thing, pew pew, like you said. So let's go on the journey and figure this thing out together. It's going to be like a raw video, so stay tuned for the entire show. There are two things I'm very excited about. This 150cm softbox and the 600 watt light. This is the 600C Pro 2. We've been able to make sense of everything. Let me just walk you through what we've put together right now, from set design to the camera choice and like everything happening in the set. If there's a bit of a mess that you see, don't mind that, because it's not going to be showing in the camera, and that's something that cinematographers do a lot. They lie a lot. I'm shooting on the Canon R8 with the Sigma 35, and I have a teleprompter on there with a script so that we can just go through this really fast. And I have a monitor showing me like a larger view of what's happening. So if there's anything I don't want in the frame, I can easily spot it. This is a full RGB light, but currently it's set to 4,800 on the Kelvin because we want to make sure that her skin tones are represented properly. And in the back, if you see some textures on the wall, that is actually happening because we have two things going on. So we have our light, of course, because that's what's going to go through the projection attachment in the front. And then, we have a gobo in there with, I don't know what it is, but like some weird shapes. And then we just thought it was adding interest to the backdrop. And that is set to 6,900 so that we can also play with different color temperatures. Because again, if you want your shots to really stand out, there are so many ways of doing it. You have contrast through lighting, contrast through color and things like that. So you can see she's wearing like a black outfit, but we have this really creamy beige tone in the back, and then we have some pops of color like the green from the plant. We have a green here, and then we have the orange and greens, and just to add a bit of life to the set. Now, remember that if you saw the BTS, outside was completely dark, but we've been able to transform it for it to look like it's daylight. And we're using the Aputure 600C, the Pro 2. We're just shooting it at 100% through the window just to, illuminate the window and also the set. And now the reason why my light is also on camera right, or let me say in the same line as the window, and you're seeing the light from the window, is we are using the softbox to shape the light. We want you to think that it's the same window that is lighting up Eleanor. So if I turn off the light, and I'll do that for you guys to see in a second, you'd see that this light's actually not doing anything on her, but it's actually the Amaran 300C that we're just, wrapping around to illuminate her. For the mic, I'm using Holyland Lark Max, and that's pretty much everything going on. And the set, we added this plant. I think initially it wasn't there, but we added it to spice things up. We have this little pillar here, just to create textures and pockets of interest in the frame. So yeah, let me show you what the lighting looks like by turning off the lights, and then I'll start by turning each one on so you see what each one is doing. I'm going to start off by turning on the outside light, and that is the Aputure 600C Pro 2, and it's at 100%. This is what it looks like. This is what it's doing to the window. You can see all of the light that is pushing into the frame. Now, the next light is the Amaran 150C, and that is the one going through the gobo and creating that texture of light on the backdrop. And this is what it looks like. You can see it's adding a bit of interest. You don't have to use it, but I just thought it looked cool, and so I added it. Now, the final light is going to be our main light, which is the Amaran 300C. As you can see, it just brings everything together. We have a beautiful illumination on Eleanor, and I think we're ready to start our video. One.
Hi, I'm Eleanor, the founder and creative director of Seku. Seku is a women's wear clothing brand based in Ghana, designed for the modern woman who is bold, confident, and unapologetic. I'm sorry, please don't put that in.
Yeah.
What's happening?
Okay.
This video is going to be so nice.
So the main footage that we captured, which was living on sticks, was what we call the A-roll. And the A-roll is just entirely all the shots of Eleanor talking straight into the camera. But if you just watch a video of someone sitting and talking and there are no cuts to other angles, it doesn't look interesting. And because she was also talking about her brand, we felt that it would have been more important for her to show some of her work. So we showed some of the illustrations. We also showed some of the outfits. So we had her hold it. We even showed it on the rack. And I feel these are just little things that you can always add to supplement or help tell a better story of whatever it is your narrator or your talent is basically speaking about. And we spent a few minutes just to capture those shots, and putting all of that, so the B-roll plus the A-roll together, this is what we got.
Hi, I'm Eleanor, the founder and creative director of Seku. Seku is a women's wear clothing brand based in Ghana, designed for the modern woman who is bold, confident, and unapologetic. Our clothes reflect the complexities of femininity, power, and softness, strength, and delicacy. You can hold both, either with our ready-to-wear pieces or our custom-made to measure looks. Each one is crafted to bring out the best in you. Seku will always be about more than just clothing or style. It's about positively impacting self-perception and how that ultimately changes how you move through the world. As a brand, we're dedicated to continual growth and evolution, both in the art of dressmaking and fabrication, to ensure appreciable value, because you deserve pieces with real value.
So that's it for today's video. Let me know your thoughts about it. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know in the comments down below. Thank you, Aputure and Amaran, for sending me these products. I'm sure I'm going to be using more of these lights to create more content, from photography to videography. So stay tuned, subscribe if you haven't, like this video if you enjoyed it or got some value, and also check out my digital store. I do have amazing products on there that are going to help you, improve on your photography and retouching game. So thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you guys in the next video. And remember, don't ever give up.